Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and this is Xiaomi's new Mi soundbar, and we're going to unbox it and show you how you can set it up with your television. As you can see, we have unboxed it for you in a magical video editing fashion. And one thing we'd like to tell you that in the box, you get an SPDIF cable, which is really nice. I mean, a lot of times when you buy a soundbar or a home theater, you generally do not get any audio cables in it. That's something you have to buy separately. So the fact that you get at least one cable in this is really nice. You also get the power brick. And as you can see, this is plastic. It's white and it's got a nice little fabric grill on it. It has two 20mm dome tweeters, two 2.5-inch subwoofers, and 4 passive drivers. Unfortunately, there is no subwoofer that accompanies this soundbar, which may be a bummer for some of you. But speaking of the connectivity options, you have Bluetooth, you have the old school aux in, you have line in, SPDIF and optical as well, and you can choose all the inputs simply from the soundbar itself, with of course buttons for volume up and down. There is no remote control that comes with this, and honestly, I mean, you may not need it, because if you connect this with your TV, you can control the volume with your TV's volume. If you connect it with your phone to listen to music, you can always control the volume from your phone as well. So now that you have seen the soundbar, we're quickly going to go ahead and set it up with the new 55-inch Mi TV 4X Pro. But if you have any TV with similar connectivity options, you can go through the same steps to connect it with your TV. So now we're going to show you how to connect your smartphone to the soundbar via Bluetooth. And once it's switched on, you'll see that a light is on, and you can just press the Bluetooth button. The Bluetooth button will come on, and you need to go into the Bluetooth settings of your smartphone and click on pair new device. You can do this with iOS or an Android device. And as you can see, Mi TV soundbar comes in, and once we click on that, it gives you the option of pairing. It's connected and it's active. So now that the Bluetooth is connected, whatever you listen to music on your smartphone or whatever it is that you do, you will be able to enjoy the audio output from the soundbar. Now, of course, for all copyright reasons, we are just going to play some content from Digit's YouTube channel to kind of, listen to the audio ones. So this is a Chromecast video that we did earlier, and I'm just going to raise the volume. Sign up using our email ID that we have. We'll double check. This is the office TV, and this is on the Digit Wi-Fi. Continue, and we are good to go. Now we are just going to get as you can see that once you increase the volume from the speaker really high, you can control the volume from your phone itself. So if you're going to listen to music or watch videos, you can use the soundbar as an output option. Now, how the quality of the speaker sounds is something we will comment on in our review, but this is essentially how you can connect it to any Bluetooth device. Simply press the Bluetooth button on the speaker, find the Bluetooth on your smartphone, and you are good to go. Also, another thing to remember is that you can only connect one Bluetooth device at a time with the speaker. Now that we've shown you how to connect your soundbar to your smartphone, we're going to move and show you how to connect it to your TV. Now, if you're connecting your TV with SPDIF, which comes, the cable comes with the Xiaomi soundbar, what you need to do is connect the SPDIF cable at the back of your TV and then at the back of the soundbar. Now, with the Xiaomi TV, you don't really need to change any audio settings apart from the source on the soundbar. But if you have another TV that needs audio source changing, you may want to go into the settings and check that out. Now we are just going to play some content to see what it looks like on this Xiaomi TV.
When you think of an all-screen smartphone, I'm sure the first thought in your mind is not a smartphone that's literally all-screen. Now, throughout 2018, OEMs have been trying various new means.
One more way to connect the soundbar to your TV is via Bluetooth. Now, of course, for that you have to switch on the Bluetooth settings on the soundbar and go into the settings of your TV. Now, once you are in the settings of the TV, simply go all the way down to Remote and Accessories and click on Add Accessory. Once you've clicked on Add Accessory, it is going to search for the soundbar, and in just a couple of seconds, you are going to see the soundbar appear on your screen. Now, as you can see, the Mi TV soundbar has appeared in the corner out there. I'm going to click on it using the TV's remote control, and it's going to say pairing, and in a couple of seconds it's just going to pair, and I'm going to be able to wirelessly play the sound from the TV onto the soundbar and avoid all the clutter that you get with all the wiring in the background. So as you can see, it is connected. We are going to quickly just go into YouTube to see if we are getting the output from the soundbar. Let's play one of our own Digit videos.
Mechanical pop-up cameras to sort of shave off the bezels from top of the display and make it totally edge-to-edge.
Yep,
But
the
then you
audio
also
is
have
coming from the speaker
smartphone
itself
with
right
different
now.
shapes and sizes of the notch. This is the Vivo Next dual display.
So that is how you can connect it wired or wirelessly to your TV. So there you have it, guys. That was our quick look at unboxing and setting up Xiaomi's new Mi soundbar. You can pick this one up for about 5,000 rupees and we will tell you whether it is worth it or not in our review. Until then, you can let us know your questions in the comment section below and we will do our best to answer them in our review. This is Samir signing off. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.
For the latest technology updates, subscribe to Digit.in and don't forget to hit the bell icon.